Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make carbonated maple hot chocolate lime. First thing you gotta do is you open up this maple hot chocolate mix, get a teaspoon, and you put into this mug. Then after that, you pour in the hot water. Then after that, you put the lid on the hot chocolate mix cover. Last but not least, you open up this lime carbonated water and you pour some carbonated water into this mug. Pour in some more. And pour in a little more water. And here is your carbonated maple hot chocolate lime. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace.